The Honor 9X is a mid-range smartphone launched globally from Honor, though it has a number of changes from its Asian counterpart. Amidst a trade debacle with Huawei, Honor has had to make some compromises in order to launch devices in the West with Google services still pre-installed. One thing that Honor is particularly proud of with the Honor 9X is its durability, and today we're putting that to the test. This is Adam Conway with XCA TV. To be honest, I've never actually tested the durability of a phone before. I've never even broken a screen of any phone that I've owned, so going into this I really hope to keep that squeaky clean track record, though I didn't have high hopes. The Honor 9X comes with a pretty simple gel silicone case and a pre-applied plastic screen protector. We decided to go without both of those. First, I decided to do a pretty basic scratch test. Nothing crazy, just really to show that your keys in your pocket aren't going to scratch your phone's display. There's not really a whole lot to show here. Keys just won't be hard enough to scratch any modern display anyway. I'd be mindful of little pieces of sand in your pocket though, as that can, and will, destroy a phone's display. After that, I decided to recreate two scenarios I know can break a phone, just to see what would happen. The first test was pretty simple. I placed it on my leg and got out of the car, as if I had absent-mindedly forgotten the phone was there. This was a pretty hard drop onto tarmac that I was certain would honestly destroy the device, yet it didn't. I did it another time to be sure, and yeah, it survived. I was surprised. I genuinely didn't think it would. It did end up pretty scuffed at the corners, but that's about it. After that, I decided to take it inside, and slowly removed it from my pocket to drop it onto the hard wooden flooring. I did this 3 times, though one I was accidentally not filming for. Yet again the phone survived. Pretty impressive to be honest. Just one small thing as well. This phone would automatically retract its pop-up camera when it detects that it's falling. It's a feature that most phones with a pop-up camera have, but it's worth pointing out as having a small nub sticking out the top of the phone might scare some if they were to drop their phone directly onto it. Finally, the bend test. At this stage I was pretty confident of the phone's build quality, and it didn't really surprise me to see that, nothing really happened. The phone flexed a little bit in each way, but nothing worrying at all. All in all, the Honor 9X is a pretty well built phone. I was surprised by just how well it fared, especially on hard tarmac ground. Obviously there's more to a phone than its build quality, but it's a healthy start, especially for a mid-range device. This has been Adam Conway with XCA TV. Be sure to like the video and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.